It's Friday morning and we've just arrived in Shrewsbury to surprise this week's very lucky BOTB Midweek car competition winner, Scott Barnes. Scott has won a monster of a car. This is the Deranged Ranger Blackout Edition worth £56,000. He's also won 20 grand, which I've put in the loading bay in the back. Let's go and knock on his door and give him the surprise of a lifetime.
You make my dreams come true.
Scott.
Oh, yeah?
Christian from BOTB, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Are you?
I'm very well. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Your lovely girlfriend's kept a bit of a secret from me. I've got something parked down the road for you.
God, there's some shoes on there.
I can't believe you're here. I've seen it on YouTube like so many times.
And now I'm at your front door. How are you feeling?
I'm shaking a bit.
Scott, I'm pleased to say you're this week's winner of BOTB's Midweek Car Competition. You've just won a £56,000 Deranged Ranger Blackout Edition.
Wow, that looks amazing.
So Deranged basically take a Ford Ranger Wildtrak and transform it. So you've got this incredible 6-piece wide body kit. You've got all the Blackout Edition badging around it. You've got some awesome rear tail lights on there, which are slightly smoked to give it a really cool look. Massive 18-inch off-road tyres and wheels.
They're huge.
They are huge, aren't they? What was it about this vehicle that you saw in the lineup and thought, I would love to own one of
It
those?
just caught my eye. It was like bright green, I think, on the website.
It was bright green, yeah. Well, in the
it's
prize,
just-
we actually have also included a wrap as well. So if you take the car, we can wrap it in whatever colour you'd like. It's worth £56,000.
Wow, that's unreal.
How's it feel? I like that you fired it up already. That's cool.
That's stunning. Absolutely stunning. It's amazing.
What's really cool about Deranged is they will completely modify the interior as well. So you've got so many options when it comes to how you would like your interior to look like. Also included in the prize, we've added the Recaro bucket seats. And I don't know if you realised, if you tilt your head back, I don't know if you realised, but there's a Starlight headliner on this one as well.
That's really smart.
It is really
Very
smart.
smart.
Yeah. What's going through your head?
Just can't believe it's me. Can't believe it. I never thought it'd happen.
When I spoke to Sophie on the phone yesterday, she said that you'd come close before.
Yeah, not long ago actually. I said, I was so close and I'm going to keep trying. And I always say, have you had a call yet? To watch all the videos and then actually
Now be in one.
be in one. It's very, very scary. But
Scary.
it's very awesome.
Good.
It's
I'm glad it's
honestly,
not. I'm glad it's more awesome than scary.
honestly, it's so strange and you just never expect it.
So Scott, not only have you won a £56,000 Deranged Ranger Blackout Edition, you've also won £20,000.
Blimey.
20 grand and a 56 grand vehicle.
Wow. Amazing, isn't it?
What does this mean for both of you? I can see you getting a bit emotional. Like
It's life-changing for us.
Yeah, it means so much. Obviously with the pandemic, like everybody, we've had a difficult time. So this is going to put us in a really good position.
He works so hard, he really does. Every day of the week.
Stop.
You're going to make me
He
start
does.
going in a minute.
Oh, he really does. He never has anything for himself. And yeah, he's the best.
Oh.
Very pleased.
Guys, when I spoke to Sophie on the phone yesterday, she just burst into tears when I told her what you'd won. If you do take the car, we'll also help you out towards insurance, servicing and fuel for the first year, and the 20 grand is separate. Or of course, you can bundle it all together and have the cash alternative. Is there anything going around in your head at the moment as to what you'd like to do? If you're happy, I can give you both a hug. Yes? Well done.
I've been wanting a hug for ages.
There you go, you got one.